In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. QIDI X-Plus. The QIDI Technology X-Plus is a versatile 3D printer designed for enhanced printing performance and user convenience. It features a dual-gear extruder assembly that ensures accurate printing with improved heat dissipation, capable of reaching temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius for a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, TPU, nylon, and PC. With a large print capacity of 10.6 by 7.9 by 7.9 inches, the printer is equipped with a double Z-axis driver for increased stability and precision during large model prints. Additional features include a filament detection function that alerts users of filament depletion and a resume printing capability that saves progress during power outages. The latest slicer software, version 6.5.3, offers a redesigned interface and improved slicing algorithms, enhancing print quality by 30% and speed by 20%. QIDI Technology also provides a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support to ensure customer satisfaction. Number 2. BIBO 3D Printer. The BIBO 3D printer is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for efficient printing, featuring a full-color touch screen that enhances operational ease. Constructed from a combination of glass, polylactic acid, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, and polycarbonate, it boasts a sleek silver and red design. With dimensions of 0.58 inch x 0.72 x 0.55 h and a weight of 18,230 grams, this printer is equipped with a dual extruder system that allows for two-color printing and the use of dissolvable filament for support materials. It includes a filament detection feature that automatically pauses the print job if the filament runs out, ensuring uninterrupted production, especially for larger projects. Additionally, the BIBO printer supports Wi-Fi control, enabling users to manage prints via their phone or PC, and its copy printing capability allows for simultaneous production of two identical objects, significantly reducing printing time. Number 3. COMGROW Creality Ender 5. The COMGROW Creality Ender 5 Plus 3D printer is designed for both hobbyists and professionals, offering an impressive large build volume of 350 by 350 by 400 mm. It features a BL Touch auto-leveling sensor for enhanced printing precision, a durable tempered glass plate for improved adhesion and surface quality, and a user-friendly touchscreen interface for easy operation. Weighing 18.2 kilograms and measuring 13.78 inches in depth and width, this printer is compatible with various devices, including laptops and smartphones. Despite receiving a solid rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars from 517 users, it's important to note that shipping may be restricted to certain locations, which can limit accessibility for some potential buyers. Number 4. Dremel 3D45-01 3D Printer. The Dremel 3D45 3D Printer Kit, recognized as a PC Mag 2018 Editor's Choice Award recipient and a Google for Education partner, offers a user-friendly and efficient printing experience. Designed with a durable ABS black exterior, it features a fully enclosed structure that promotes safety and minimizes warping, with a build volume of 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches. This advanced printer includes an easily removable heated glass build plate, up to 100 degrees Celsius, and an all-metal nozzle, heating up to 280 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with a variety of materials. Setup is streamlined with a 5-inch full-color touchscreen interface that allows users to go from unboxing to first print in under 15 minutes. It is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and Mac OS X version 10.9, and incorporates built-in carbon and particulate filters to enhance operational safety. Weighing 42.8 pounds and measuring 18.75 inch DX23, WX 18.75 H, this 3D printer seamlessly integrates advanced features for optimal performance. Number 5. Creality 3D Printer K1 Max. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is a cutting-edge device designed for efficiency and ease of use, featuring an expansive print area of 11.81 inches by 11.81 inches by 11.81 inches, 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters, that allows for the simultaneous printing of multiple models, making it ideal for large-scale prototypes and design verification. Equipped with advanced AI LiDAR and a smart camera, the K1 Max ensures first-layer precision and real-time monitoring, significantly reducing the chances of print failures and filament wastage. The printer comes pre-assembled and features fully automatic leveling, streamlining the setup process. Its remarkable printing speed, 12 times faster than conventional FDM printers, combined with an acceleration of 20,000 mm², allows it to maintain high speeds throughout most of the printing duration. Additionally, Creality offers exceptional after-sales support, including a 12-month comprehensive service, ensuring customer satisfaction and prompt assistance for any inquiries.